This is Nelson. One morning, Nelson burns his toast. He's already running late, so now he has to make another one. And that 2-minute delay means he misses his usual bus. He watches it pull away from the stop at the end of his street. He's frustrated. He's muttering the entire wait for the next bus. What Nelson doesn't know is that his usual bus gets rear-ended at an intersection 3 stops ahead. Everyone on board is stuck on the side of the road for over an hour waiting. The burnt toast saved Nelson 90 minutes. The burnt toast theory isn't a formal scientific doctrine. It's a reframing device rooted in a well-documented concept in cognitive psychology called benefit finding, the human capacity to locate positive meaning inside negative events. Research by psychologists Crystal Park and Susan Folkman on stress and coping found that people who reframed setbacks as potentially purposeful showed measurably better emotional resilience and long-term well-being. Meaning, the story you tell about an inconvenience changes what that inconvenience does to you. Nelson's burnt toast is small, but the theory scales. The job you didn't get that pushed you toward the career you actually love? The relationship that ended and made space for the one that worked? The flight you missed that rerouted you to a conversation that changed something? Stoic philosophers, particularly Marcus Aurelius, described this same principle centuries earlier. Every obstacle contains a hidden directive, and that resistance to what happens costs more than the event itself ever did. The framework isn't asking you to pretend bad things are good. It's asking you to stay open. You don't have the full picture yet. Nelson boards the next bus, annoyed. He doesn't know what he avoided. Maybe he never will. That's the quiet truth of this theory. Most of the time, you don't get to see the full story. You just get the burnt toast and a choice about what to do with the 2 minutes it costs you. Here's the question worth sitting with. How many times has something gone wrong that you later realized went exactly right, and you only saw it in hindsight? The burnt toast theory doesn't ask you to be naive. It asks you to be a little less certain that inconvenience is the enemy. Because sometimes the delay is the design. Sometimes missing the train is the point, and the only thing standing between frustration and perspective is the willingness to ask, what if this is actually working in my favor and I just can't see it from here?